the doormat. I just washed it last night. Stay there as long as you can, 'cause I ain't opening the door. Back and forth on the front porch to the drive for you to go. Even though the sunny days will keep me, a winter night I feel so alone. Even though the sunny days will keep me, a winter night I feel so alone. All alone. But I would never compromise for the tears I cry
Hello and welcome back, and I'm so happy to be back because I am not that well. I'm quite sick at the same time, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go pick up MEBA now. Like you've seen the footage earlier, like what and all she does, and she has problems, but then she never give up, and singing is one thing that she loves to do. Maybe it's her passion, and maybe she wants to be, you know, a professional in that field, and now is the time that we can see what and all she does by going to the studio, which she usually trains with. And that person who trains her also is one person who I know him very well, and I respect him. And he's one person that has kept me going as well. I mean, I never thought that I'd find somebody like him, and he encourages me a lot, and I respect you, the boss, and you'll know, and most of the people knows who this person is. And when you see it, you'll be amazed, because he also is a guy who struggled, but then he came up, and you know. So when two people collide and collapse, and like, you know, she has a talent, he has a talent, but they help each other. That's the best thing. So with further ado, I won't take much of a time. We'll just move ahead, and I'll see you there. Hi.
Hi.
MEBA, how's your throat?
Good?
Okay.
I think good.
You can sing right today. You can.
Yeah. I can sing anywhere, anytime, anywhere.
That's the spirit, you know. So finally we're here, and I'm here with MEBA, and the studio is right there. So now this is the time that we'll see what and all she will be doing. So I hope that she will show us every bit of it, right? Woo! No. Why so late? so welcome back here with Eliza, along with MEBA Ophelia, and you've seen earlier what and all I mean, her and her music is just amazing. So, but we're here now. I just want to ask you a few questions if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
You don't mind, right? So, the thing is that I just want the people to know that this is Shillong and we have such people like you. There's so many talents here in Shillong, and like you've seen in my vlogs, there are different talents, and this time we got a female singer, and I really appreciate your work and your you know, I respect you for what you're doing. So keep up the good work. But right now what I want to know is a little bit here and there about your in general, so that the people can even, like, you know, get motivated by you, and is a thing that you can give them hope as well. So the first question is like, you know, you go to college and then there's music, but how do you manage your time with studies and music?
It's never easy, first of all.
Okay.
It's never easy. Sometimes I have to bunk classes to do my music because, you know, I have to balance it out. But then overall, I manage because I love doing both. I love my college, my college stuff. I love this music. But then there are days where I have to skip music a little bit.
Okay.
Because I've got my exams and everything. But it pays off in the end.
So, yeah, anybody could do that. Like, you know, like,
if you love doing the things you do,
yeah,
eventually you find time for it.
Correct. So yeah, exactly. Like this is the main thing about my vlogs. Like, I love doing this, and I put my time and hard work at the same time, and eventually you'll get there, right? So the second question is everyone have like, they're so excited and they've heard here and there that you're dropping a new single featuring Big Ree, featuring Big Ree from Kasih Bulat.
Yes.
Everyone gets mistaken by you being in the Kasih Bulat, but actually,
I'm just a featured artist.
Yeah, she's just a featured
I'm an independent
artist.
artist. Yeah, so I just featured them in one of I think the latest song was Don't Stop.
Don't Stop.
Yeah, and then so now I'm doing this with Ree. It's new.
This is your single, right?
Yeah.
So you're dropping very soon. Very soon is coming up.
Yeah.
Coming out. Sorry. And can you just brief a little bit about it? Like, you know, just give us something about the song.
The song is personal. It's on a personal perspective.
Okay.
And anybody who's been in and out of love can relate to it.
Okay. So you're not gonna tell much about it.
No.
You sure?
I'll leave that for people to see.
Okay, so guys, the new single is coming up really soon, so do check it out. And I hope you've seen her in many, you know, videos, and I hope you guys will enjoy the music video and the song, everything. So I wish you all the best with that new single of yours featuring Big Ree, and that's about it. And what else? The third question. When was your first, and what was your best performance?
My first would be the beer festival.
Okay.
In 2017. Yeah, 2007, last year. So I met these.
That was your first performance?
Yeah, my first performance ever.
Okay.
Because I just started out. I'm still new.
Like professionally?
Yeah, professionally.
Okay.
So I met this band from Bombay, Pune actually. It's called Many Roots Ensemble. And we jammed and everything worked out and it happened. It was my first time on stage. I was pretty nervous. First time with live instruments.
Okay.
Everything. Because I've never really experienced that. So when I got up there, I just couldn't believe myself. You know, I'm actually doing this. I'm actually performing. Because ever since I was a little girl, I would move around with a deodorant or a remote control in my room, you know, just...
That's nice.
Just, I don't know, just imagining I'm in front of 1,000, I'm in front of a crowd, singing for them.
You yourself like you have experience, like dreams do come true. You've
Yes, they do if you work hard for it.
okay.
If you work hard for
You
it.
guys work hard for anything,
If
like
you work hard for it.
Okay, so like and what
The
was the
best.
best
The best would be
performance?
Wilderness with the same band.
Okay,
This was this year.
this year.
Yeah, this year. New Year.
Okay,
So we went to Imphal. It was at Imphal. And we performed there at 12 at
12
midnight.
midnight.
Yeah, New Year. It was right at that 12 dot on the dot. We
Okay.
performed. And it was pretty cold, but I mean, I think the reason why we were sweating so much was because we had a lot of
Okay,
fun on
the
stage.
ambience and everything
Yeah,
was
the crowd, the people, the hospitality, the food.
okay.
It was wild, but it was great experience.
Just saying, food is very important. So anyway, you go
To survive.
to survive. Okay, so yeah. So the fourth question is, how do you cope up with stage fright?
Stage fright.
Yeah, because even me, if I would have gone on stage for the first time, and I know how it's like. So, but how did you do that? I mean, I overcame it and I did it. I mean, I was on stage as well, but how did you do it as a singer?
I don't really know because every time, seconds before I go up on stage, I always tell myself, you do what you can do.
Okay.
Just do what you can do, and it's gonna be all right. Just go up
Alright.
on stage, sing your heart out, just let go, let loose.
Okay.
And yeah, there are times when I get nervous.
Yeah.
Some songs
Till
are very
date,
difficult.
do you still have those
Stage fright.
stage fright? Like
I think no,
no,
I don't think so.
that's up to you. Because I still do.
I
Because
think it's because I want to have fun. I don't think about if I'm gonna mess up the song or anything. It's all
Okay.
about the fun. When you're playing with the right people, it's just
alright.
better.
Cool. So yeah, so I don't want to ask so many questions because obviously you people will get bored, right? So I'm just gonna end this interview. I wouldn't say an interview, it's just a casual talk between me and her, and just trying to know her better and get to know the way she, manage her things and all this. So the last thing, like I usually do this in all of my vlogs, right? So this is the thing that can give hope to people and get something out of from here, and they'll feel better rather than just seeing the bad things. But if they look at you now, they know what to do. It's not just singing, you can do it other talents as well, right?
Yeah.
So what's the message that you have to give to the people looking at you right now?
Okay, my message to you is help yourself, because nobody is gonna help you but you. You be humble. Do not be afraid to ask the stupidest questions in the world, because when you don't know the answer, you don't know the answer. And you need to know the answer. Even if it makes you look stupid. Because, not everybody knows everything. Stay original, which is very hard to do in days like these, Don't keep following trends and everything. Because we need you. So find yourself and be that.
All right, here we go. So thank you so much for
Thank you.
that beautiful message to the people out there. I hope you guys got what she said, and take it from her. I mean, always take these positive things and put it in you, and do the things you love. Always, because you never
Always.
know. I honestly, I didn't expect that what I'm doing now was my dream, but then it came true. I used to have this vision, but then now it happened, and I'm really happy and I'm enjoying it.
Because you helped yourself.
So I'm enjoying it. So let's wrap up this thing here, and what we're gonna see now is the main thing. MEBA Ophilia singing something for us, and that's about it. So see you guys in a bit.
Just like a seed sowed so deep, can't be left out in the dark. Just like a flower needs sunlight to grow, I need a daily dose of water and more of positivity, something to be proud of, sensitivity. Don't let your heart harden out, falling over me like rain from the clouds, like a storm at sea. I choose to be real. I choose to be real. I choose to be real. I choose to be real.
Thank you so much for watching that vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. For those people who are first time viewers, do not forget to subscribe, and that's about it. Thank you so much.